In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get digital marketing certificate from Hubspot. To begin, open your web browser and go to Hubspot Academy. This is Hubspot's official learning platform, and it is where you can access free courses and certifications. Once you are on the Hubspot Academy site, take a moment to make sure you are in the Academy learning area, not the general Hubspot product pages. This helps you avoid clicking around in the wrong place. Next, use the search feature to look for the digital marketing certification. Type the certification name into the search bar and select the result that matches the certification, not just a single lesson or a related course. When you open the certification page, you will see an overview of what is included, such as the lessons, the estimated time, and what topics are covered. Reading this overview helps you understand what you are committing to before you begin. Now click Start Certification. From here, the goal is to complete all required video lessons and quizzes. As you watch each video, pay close attention to the examples and key terms. HubSpot tends to build later concepts on earlier ones, so completing the lessons in order can make the content much easier to follow. After each section, you will complete a quiz. Treat these quizzes as practice for the final exam. If you miss a question, go back and review the exact part of the lesson that explains it, then retake the quiz if needed. When you have finished the lessons and quizzes, you will move on to the final certification exam. Set aside quiet time so you can focus, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Read each question carefully, because small wording details can change what the question is asking. Once you pass the exam, your certification will be issued. Finally, to get your certificate, go to My Learning in HubSpot Academy. Then open the Completed tab. Locate the digital marketing certification and download your certificate from there. Save a copy to your device and consider backing it up so you can access it later. That covers everything you need to know.